What is help and support in DCKAP Integrator? The help and support section in DCKAP Integrator can assist you when you need help or have questions. Our web interface is designed to be easy to use, but if you run into any issues, the help and support section is here to help. We've got technical blogs, video tutorials, documentation, release notes, and ticket raising feature to make your DCKAP Integrator experience smoother. Blogs and articles. In our DCKAP Integrator community, we have lots of knowledge to share. Our blogs and articles section has different types of posts, like technical blogs, articles that solve problems, informative and research-based posts, insight into what is happening in our industry. These posts are written by people in our community, and they are here to help you, no matter how much you know about DCKAP Integrator. Video tutorials. DCKAP Integrator is designed to be easy to use, and our video tutorials are here to help you use it to the fullest. These videos have clear instructions and pictures to guide you through all kinds of tasks. Whether you're doing something simple or complex, these videos will show you how to do it step by step. Resources. Our resources section is like a big library of information. It is divided into different parts. Knowledge base. This is like a handbook that helps you understand and use all the parts of the DCKAP Integrator. Video tutorials. These are step-by-step instructions for doing common tasks. Developer documentation. It is full of technical details for people who are building things with DCKAP Integrator. API and mapping. This explains how to make DCKAP Integrator work with other software. We have made our documentation easy to understand, so you can find answers to all your questions about DCKAP Integrator. Release notes. Knowing about the updates to DCKAP Integrator is important. In the release notes section, you can see new updates in each version released of DCKAP Integrator. Our team and the DCKAP Integrator community work together to ensure the product is up to date and has more flexible, user-friendly features. Raise a ticket. Beyond resources, we offer direct assistance through our ticketing system. Raise a ticket allows you to initiate support requests. To learn more about how to raise a ticket in DCKAP Integrator, please click on the following link. My Tickets keeps you informed about your ticket status. Share with Me provides access to tickets shared by others. Additionally, Closed Tickets allows you to review past ticket interactions. The DCKAP Integrator Help and Support section is your go-to place for help. No matter if you're new or experienced, we are here to support you throughout your journey with the DCKAP Integrator.
Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.